Hello to all Stockler buyers. Today we're in the warehouse to see a Fnac lot from the Fnac Darty Group. Here we're focusing on a lot from the Fnac vendor, a specialist in multimedia, high-tech products, home appliances and so on, well known in France and throughout Europe, by the way. And today we're going to focus on a batch of used products, so used multimedia products. Here we've opened one pallet and right next to it another pallet of televisions. Everything will be grouped into the same lot to make just one lot of products, so functional used items, obviously. Here you have on this pallet, so it's just one example pallet. Obviously there are several pallets within this lot. These are exclusively high-tech, multimedia and small home appliances. For example, right here, we've taken a Ninja air fryer out of its box to show you. For instance, on this pallet, we'll see this air fryer here, which is actually in very good cosmetic condition. And you see, we can even open it here, hop. Yes, they are indeed second-hand products then, meaning they could have been used by the customer and then brought back to, we'll just close it properly, then brought back to the seller. So they could obviously have been used. That's why you say all the boxes have been retaped. Here, for example, with the Ninja box, it was retaped. So here's the thing, some products will come in their original packaging, like this vacuum cleaner, for instance, from the Tineco brand. Right here, you can clearly see that the box has been resealed with tape. It might even have been opened a bit, perhaps a little too quickly, we could say, and therefore it might show some damage. And for other products, for example, right here, we might have what we call generic packaging. So this isn't the product's original packaging. It's just a cardboard box. The product is very well protected. You can see, by the way, here, there's a lot of bubble wrap. For this product, we'll take a look together at what it is. Let's just try to open it here. We'll try to look at it like this. Yes, you can still see it here. For example, we have a product, a hi-fi system right here. So there are really all types of products. These can be high-tech products or multimedia products. So as always, please check the description carefully to get the complete list of all the products included in the lot. Over here, we even have some printers right here. The air fryer we'll put away right after this. And over there, those will be printers. And then if we look at the other pallet, which is a pallet exclusively of televisions. Televisions, always of the same quality, functional, second-hand. You can see here, these will really be televisions. So large, big Samsung TVs, Q series. For example, here, we're looking at a 163 centimeter QLED model. Over here, another Samsung TV. And over here, you're going to have a JVC screen. And then behind it, we have a TV that I think you really can't miss because it's truly enormous. It's right here. You see it. I'll try to tell you there's a TV, so QNED 93A, and it measures 215 centimeters. So there you have it. It's really a huge TV. In any case, you have all the details inside for all the products as usual. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. We'll be sorry to answer you. Thank you so much. I wish you good luck with your bids on Stockler, and I'll see you soon.